Hello and welcome to the course Penetration Testing with OWASP ZAP. Now let's learn what we are covering in this course. So we have divided this course into 5 different sections. In section 1, we are going to set up the lab for the practicals, as this is a complete hands-on practical course. In the section number 2, the configuration and features, we are going to learn about the various features of OWASP ZAP like scanning, spidering, etc. And I'm going to show you the features with the help of practical examples. In section number 3, which is vulnerability assessment for web applications, we are going to learn how to perform vulnerability assessment on web applications using OWASP ZAP and how to invoke various applications, for example, Nmap for port scanning, Nikto for web analysis, and SQL map for injection attack. So we will also perform these practicals in section number 3. Section number 4, penetration testing for web applications. In this session, we are going to perform penetration testing of web applications, and I'm going to show you various features. And finally, in section 5, which is reporting, we are going to learn how to generate various reports using OWASP ZAP, and we are going to analyze the topics which are involved in these reports. If we talk about the prerequisites, so it's very basic now. You should have the basic IT skills, and you should know how to install softwares inside your laptop or your system. So this is all about the overview of this course. Thank you so much, and I'll see you inside the course.